Hello, welcome back to the channel. I just got back yesterday, late last night from Las Vegas, from LA, from Santa Monica, a crazy trip to the West Coast. I did vlog most of it and we'll be uploading a video about that. It won't really be about trading whatsoever, but had an awesome time. I am still smoked, slept hard throughout the night last night, and feel like I could probably sleep all day again today, but did wake up, did do some trading today, got one trade in, one win, so officially the first green day of the year. Kind of crazy to think that this is only my second trading day of the year since the year started. Been so busy, but hopefully getting back into more of a normal schedule now. So let's get it. Let's trade. Alright, first and only trade today was on LAC. It was popping up pretty much right out of the opening gates this morning. You can see it down right below me currently on the scanner at about a 15, 16, pushing in there. And I'm looking at the chart and looking at the other charts that I have that you guys can't see on this view. And I'm like, okay, it's extending a little bit. Maybe if we get a push up towards the whole number, it's currently sitting around 2860s. Maybe if we get a push up towards 29, we can start looking for a short here on LAC. The intensity number is still sitting around 15 there on LAC, so just going to sit here for a minute and watch it, see what happens, see if it gives me that further push, because right now I don't want it quite yet, but it does start pushing here. We're looking for that push up towards 29, and I go ahead and get a short there, 200 shares at 28.92. So in LAC and pretty much immediately in the green on this one, and I'm then going to go ahead and get ready to partial out on the way down. Going to take 100 shares, and looking at the chart here, looking for if we can get back down under 2860, which was about the high of the second candle there, the first green candle and the second candle overall. So looking for under 2860 for 100 shares, a partial of half. Starts coming down. We put the order out. It doesn't get filled immediately. The spread pops a little bit back and forth here, but the order is out now at 2860 for that 100 share half partial win, and we're going to get the fill right there. So now down to 100 shares short. Going to look for another 50 here if we can get a flush down through 2850, which is that next kind of $half line in the sand. So looking for another 50 shares if we get that move down through 2850. Got it right there and got the fill at 2847. So now down to the final 50 shares, just piecing out as we go. The low there's and the VWAP is sitting about 2830. So I see it hit 2830 there for a second on the level 2. I'm like, okay, if we break 2830 here, I'll probably just be happy to go ahead and take the remaining 50 shares. You know, it's early in the day. Don't really know what the market's going to do on the day. It's sitting on the VWAP, so if we get down under that 2850, I will be willing to, I'm sorry, 2830, I will be willing to just take the final shares off and call it a win on the day. So it starts pushing down. We're hitting 2830. There it finally breaks 2830, and I click the button and get the fill at 2830. So first trade, and as it turned out to be only trade of the day here on LAC, up 85.50. So that was the trading for today. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything else that I liked enough to get into, but that's okay. We'll take it. Spoiler alert, I lost all my money in LA, and I mean in Vegas, and then spending money in LA, so it's good to see some green on the positive side, and we will be doing that video sometime soon. It's going to take a lot of editing to get that video of the trip together, so be on the lookout for it. Until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy the channel, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.